Nito si Adrian Noco, hindi talaga hahayaang makahinga yung depensa ng Magnolia. Attacked immediately to set up Dion Thompson.
One thing about this guy that I know, he runs with the team. He doesn't lag behind. So he's always there to support his teammates when they're running. Perfect fit in that sense.
Finally hits double digits. Dion Thompson, 10 points.
Balik na naman tayo sa 1 point na lamang. Ito na naman yung revolution. Nice play.
Xavier Lucero nagpakita ng kanyang speed advantage kontra kay Keith Dato.
And a great back screen there by a teammate. Almost an interception.
Dato wants a 3, throws it up, and gets it.
The gamble you make when you try to get the steal, mawawala ka sa depensa sa harap ng tao.
9 na puntos para kay Keith Dato. 10-3 na yan.
Offensive foul.
At be an offensive foul against Ratliff.
They look back, the coaching staff, I don't think they're challenging it, tumitingin pa rin. Pero wala. They knew it was an offensive foul.
Pero pwersado sila dito, Dr. J, dahil pang-apat na po yan. Itong si Ricardo Ratliff. Iyan Sanggalang kailangan bumalik. So they'll have to play all local. May nasa pool doon kung si Adrian Noco dahil patuloy yung kiskisa nila nitong si Mark Baroka.
And because they're in penalty, that foul is going to elicit free throw shots.
Ayun. Nadaplisan sa mukha ito si Noco. Doon sa girian nila ni Baroka sa pwestuhan. And you also feel bad for Baroka kasi ang laki nga nitong si Noco, Dr. J, kumpara sa kanya. So he'll have to be, extra aggressive on defense.
Yeah. Hindi lang yun, makilos yung bata niya. So, ikot ka ng ikot. Kaibigan niya, pero madami kinakain na popcorn niya. Bukas pupunta niya dito sa Ninay, pwede ito bumili ng popcorn.
Oo, masarap yung popcorn dito actually. 68 to 61. Gawin mo ng 69 niya dahil mapasok pa ng print out.
Libre yung popcorn.
Tayo bawal, Doc, eh. Tayo bawal. Pumunta kayo. Yun nga yung turnovers na kanina pa problema nito Magnolia. 13 throwaways in the game.
Ay,
sayang yan para kay Arik Cholicio. Tatakbo itong si Clarito. Off the spin. Clarito is foul.
ini-insist ni ano to